Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding a Power Query transformation option called digit to non-digit that comes under split transformation. So there is an example how we can do this. We are having a column that is a total amount that we are having the symbols. Some are in the right side and some are in the left side. And even if it is not symbols, some are, if it is some characters, you can remove this with the help of this digit to non-digit in split column option in transformation. So as an example, we are having a data set. We are having only four values right now as an example, and in this example in this total column we are having four values where $2 symbol is on the right side and rupee symbol or rs is written on the left side, extreme left side. So we will see how we can do that with digit to non-digit split column option. So you can take the transformation screen, and right now what we are going to do is we will reference it, or you can duplicate whatever you want, you can do it. And now we are having characters on the left side and symbol on the right side. So we want to remove both and we need only the numerals. All these characters or symbols, we can get it in another column. So we can right click here. You can go to split column and can go down. First, we will remove digit to non-digit. That means digit will be placed here in this column itself and the non-digit will be moved to another column. So what happens is it will check the first column, first row, and here digit to non-digit is not. So it will move, it will just give a null value for that into the new column. But in the third row, it will keep the digit here and it will split the non-digit to the new column. So we will try and see. You can split column and then digit to non. So you can see here in these two, digit to non-digit is now there because it is actually non-digit to digit will work in this column. Non-digit is in the first character. So here it is digit to non-digit. So the non-digit value has been taken to the second column. Now once again we can try. We can right click here itself and you can split the column by non-digit to digit. So you can see here the non-digit is kept and the digit has been removed and moved to the second column. Here two non-digits are there. Here also two non-digits are there. So what we can do is we can try to keep all the non-digits value in one column. So what we can do, we can click here this column and here this first column. You can merge the two columns and we can merge it without any separator itself, and we got the merge column. Now it will be easy because here anyway digit is not there, only digit is there in the third and fourth column. So you can right click here and you can split it once again by digit to non-digit. So non-digit to digit because non-digit is the first value. So now we got exactly all the non-digits in one column and digits have been distributed into other columns. Now we can just right click here and merge all these two columns, because when you merge, the null values will be gone and the exact values will be replaced instead of null value. So you can merge it, and now exactly we got the symbols in first column and the digit in the second column. We can rename it symbols and we can rename this also and digits. Now we can close and apply. So this is a data set which we were having. We can copy and paste the thing here and we can remove this table. We can expand the table visual and you can see the symbols and the digits with respect to that. So we have got the symbols and digits separated. This is how we can separate through split column option. Hope this was a valuable video. Have a nice day.